Good morning, Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. We, the students of V-Tulips, are going to present a special assembly on the topic Say No to Plastic. Rishita, do you know that plastic is a man-made material over the last 50 or 60 years? It has changed the way of our life.
Yes, it has changed everything from the clothes we wear to the things we buy for our homes.
Do you know that plastic is very harmful to our environment because it is a non-biodegradable substance?
But it has made our life easier. It has a long lifespan. We can use it over and over again.
But it takes 1,000 of years to decompose. Let us watch a presentation on the effects of plastic on our environment made by Herrick.
Good morning, Honorable Principal Ma'am, worthy teachers, and my dear friends. Today I have got privilege to speak on the topic Say No to Plastic. Environmental damage, a threat to life on the earth, is a moot issue all over the world. Government introduces measures to curb environmental degradation. However, sensible individuals and non-government agencies are contributing commendably towards this noble purpose. But it is a matter of sorrow that man is using plastic bags, which form a major chunk of garbage in most of the country. They pose a great threat to the environment. Therefore, there is a general consequence that there must be a legal ban on these items. I completely agree with this view. To begin with, over the last few decades, there has been a dramatic increase in the use of these plastic bags. They are used everywhere, from grocery shops to shopping malls. Most of the time, these bags are not properly disposed. This has led to contamination of land and water bodies. Furthermore, these plastic wastes are non-biodegradable. Hence, they remain in the entire environment for an indefinite period of time. They also pose a great risk to all animals that might feed on them. Overall, plastic is a source of hazard for the ecosystem. In conclusion, plastic wastes are accumulating all around the globe and posing a great threat to the environment, to flora and fauna. However, this vexing problem can be controlled by placing a legal ban on plastic bags.
Arman, do plastic affect on marine life also?
Yes, Rishita. Globally, 1 lakh marine mammals die every year as a result of plastic pollution. It includes whales, dolphins, turtles, or sea lions. Animals often eat plastic because they are not able to differentiate plastic from food.
Now, it is the time for us to rethink about plastic and do something before it's too late. If something lasts a long time, then how do we get rid of it?
We have to reduce the use of plastic. Bring your own cloth bag to grocery shop. Bring your own thermos to coffee shop. Do not buy beverages bottles in plastic. Do not buy bottled water. Make fresh juice or eat fresh instead of buying in plastic containers.
These are very easy ways to reduce the use of plastic. Let us enjoy a dance performance of the students of 5th Tulips with the message Say No to Plastic.
presenting a poem on Say No to Plastic. Polybags, polybags here and there. Polybags everywhere. In the water, up in the air, on the roads and everywhere. Polybags here and there. Polybags everywhere. They never die. Their number rise. They harm our earth. They harm our life. So say no to polybags. So say no to plastic. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Manat Kamboj. I'm from 5th Tulip class. I'm going to recite a poem on Say No to Plastic, so let's start. Plastic is our helpful hand, but they are polluting our land. Plastic is like a knife which harms our life. Plastic is very useful, but its effects are very harmful. We create revolution. Say no to plastic pollution. If you are fantastic, then do something drastic to cut plastic. Handle with care. Plastic is everywhere. Eating plastic, animals died. Seeing plastic, nature died. So say no to plastic. Use of plastic is a curse, which effects are very adverse. Life on earth is fantastic without the use of plastic. Life on earth is fantastic without the use of plastic. Thank you so much.
My name is Ritma. I will tell you how to reduce the use of plastic in my poem. प्लास्टिक की थैली करती है धरती को मैली, करती है धरती को मैली, लाल पीली हरी नीली प्लास्टिक की थैली। ना करना धरती को मैली, ना करना धरती को मैली, ले जाना बाहर कपड़े की थैली, ले जाना बाहर कपड़े की थैली। थैंक यू।
Science has helped humanity to progress a lot. A very good morning to all of you. Today, I, Mahi Sthana, is representing a speech on the topic Say No to Plastic. As we can see, several inventions of science around. Our life become easy and comfortable because of these inventions. But as we know, there are two sides to a coin. Besides these beneficial discoveries, science has also given us some hazards, which become a big problem for all of us. One such discovery is plastic. It is becoming almost impossible to get rid of this problem. Plastic is getting choked in lanes, eaten by animals. It is even polluting the water bodies. Only one single plastic takes thousands of years to dispose. So, it is becoming a serious hazard on life on the planet. So we should ban the use of plastic, or if we use plastic, do not throw it in one use. Reuse the plastic. Example, plastic water bottles. Like I have converted this plastic water bottle into this bird house. Like this, you can also become a create creative things from the plastic. Use clothes and jute bags to catch things that can be disposed of and recycle easily. Thank you.
अब कसम ले।
हाँ Rishita, it's time to take pledge. I pledge to reduce the use of plastic items in my daily life.
I pledge to refuse straws and plastic bottles as much as possible.
Thank you.
I pledge to refrain from using any plastic container and plastic bag.
I pledge to choose environmentally friendly option at any given opportunity.
I pledge that I'll bring my own recycled bags for my grocery shopping.
I pledge to identify and choose food vendors who use recyclable and biodegradable containers.